Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are fine. But this news about what did Ryan Murphy say? Evgeny Relov doping Row explained after swimming Olympic final. A doping row has broke out after US swimmer Ryan Murphy made some cryptic comments about Evgeny Relov victory in the 200-meter backstroke at 2020 Tokyo Olympics. The main 200-meter backstroke swimming race saw Rox Evgeny Relov scoop the Olympic gold medal on Friday morning, July 13th. The Russian Olympic Committee athlete managed to beat Ryan Murphy and Lucky Granbank, who walked out with Olympic silver and bronze medals respectively. But media attention has turned on Murphy after he made some remark over Relov's win. What did John Murphy say? Speaking to reporter after the race, Murphy addressed the doping problem in swimming and alleged that he was swimming in a race that probably not clean. The US swimmer said, I have got about 15 thought that 13 of them would get me into a lot of trouble. It is a hug mental drain to go through the air knowing that I am swimming in a race that's probably not clean, and that is what is it is. The people that know a lot more about the session made the decision that this did. I did not have the bandwidth to train for the Olympics at a very high level and try to lobby the people that are making the decision that they are making the wrong decision. But in a press conference later, Murphy claimed that he was talking about his doping issue in swimming in journal, insisting that he did not intend or cause relo of anything. To be clear, my intention is not to make any allegation here. The USA silver medalist said, congratulations to Evgeny, congratulations to Lucky at the end of the day. I do believe there is doping in swimming and that is what it is. Relov says, Murphy did not oppose me. Speaking in the same press conference, Relov said that he is always for clean sport and said that he did not believe Murphy caused him of anything. I have always been for clean competition. I always tasted it. The gold medalist said, I will fill out all the admins from referring to the World Anti-Doping Agency, Anti-Doping Administration and Management System. From the bottom of my heart, I am for clean sport. I am devoting my whole life to this sport. I do not even know how to react to that. Ryan did not accuse me of anything, so I would rather not react to what he said. Ryalov is one of 335 Russian athletes who have been cleared out to compete as part of the Russian Olympic Committee at the 2020 Tokyo Olympic. Earlier this week, he won a gold medal in the 100-meter backstroke. Rules about Russian athletes explained. Russian athletes can compete as part of the Russian Olympic Committee instead of representing Russia. The rules came after state-sponsored doping program was uncovered in 2016, meaning that athletes from Russia are barred from representing their country until December 2022. The Russian Olympic Committee come forward with the response on their Twitter account following the doping row on Friday. The tweet says, translated to English, how badly our victories unnerve our colleagues. Yes, we are here at the Olympics, absolutely rightfully so, whether some people like to or not. You have to know how to lose, but not everyone can. And here we go again, the same old song about Russian doping is played by the old music box. Someone is diligently turning the handle. Thanks for watching this news video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share my video. Thanks for watching.